Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can create a new drive or a new partition on your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Now open your File Explorer first. Make a right click on the Start button and open File Explorer. Then click on this PC. So here I can find that I have only two drives on my Windows. The Windows C drive, which is Windows C drive where my operating system is installed, and my Google E drive. Now I want to create a new drive. So how can we create a new drive? It is just very easy. Right click on this PC on the left pane. Again, it's right click, not left click. So right click, click on show more options. Then here click on manage. And the computer management window will appear. Maximize this. Then here you'll find this option, disk management. Double click on that and the disk management window will open. So you have here your Windows C drive and your Google E drive. Now we are going to create a new drive out of the drive which has the higher capacity. And the drive in here which has the higher capacity is the Windows C drive. So all you have to do is make a right click, select shrink volume, querying shrink space. So let's just wait in a while. Now this window will appear. So you have here to enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. Now let's put 10,000 because 10 gigabytes is around 10,000 MB. So you have to enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. So you just have to simply click on shrink. And here you have created a 9.77 gigabytes unallocated space. And with this unallocated space, we are going to create a new drive. So all you have to do is make a right click and select new simple volume. Now this wizard will appear, so you have to click on next to continue. Do not make any changes in here, just simply click on next. And here you have to assign the following drive letters. So click on this drop down arrow and choose the drive letter that you want for your new drive. So I'm just going to go with a Q drive. Then click on next. Now file system, that should be NTFS. Allocation unit size, that should be by default. Volume label, you can simply change this to anything you want. Like let's say for example, I'm going to name this how to fix. Do not forget to check this box, perform a quick format. Click on next and click on finish. And now we have just created a new drive, which is the how to fix Q drive. Now if we close the computer management window, we now have here created a new drive of our Windows, which is the how to fix Q drive. So as easy as that, we have created a new drive. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.